Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I am back from being away for a whole week from my garden, and Dan did a fabulous job watering all the many pots that I had. Might I recommend this to you if you want to get your planters on drip and they're not on drip yet? Leave your husband in charge to water all of them. Dan was like, wow, that was a lot of planters to water. I'm pretty sure if I said I need drip for them, he would go for it. He probably would have before too. Everything is alive, which is wonderful. But you know the famous saying, when the gardener is away, the budworms will play. Well, maybe that's not quite the saying. However, the budworms did decide to wreak havoc on all my beautiful petunias. So, and I did find one actually. They are so brazen. They're just like out in the daytime devouring my petunias. And this is how my planters look when the budworms take hold. So these proven winner petunias are designed so that they bury the dead so that the new blossoms cover all the dead ones. So if all of a sudden you start seeing a lot of dead ones and you're like, oh, those are well watered, so they didn't die because of that, it is a sign that budworms are eating them. And then if you look carefully at the flowers, if you start to see holes in the flowers and nibbling having happened on them, it's a good chance it's a budworm. You can also look for the budworms, and best way to do that is actually to lift up your plant. They often hide underneath or down towards the base, but a lot of times you won't see them. Mine are just extremely brazen. One other way that I can tell that it's a bug issue here is that there is budworm poop here, which looks like little black speckles. I believe they call it frass, and that could indicate any type of caterpillar, but it is definitely leaning towards the caterpillar direction. But you know, you can take a look for them, and pretty much that's what it is. So last night I sprayed all of these with BT. BT is safe for your other insects, for your pets, for yourself. I wouldn't recommend that any of those things purposely, have any BT. However, it's a very mild thing to use that will clear up this whole issue. Now, the thing is, it doesn't kill them immediately. They digest the BT and then it kills them. So right now, my budworms still think that this is fair game and they are nibbling everything down. But give it a couple weeks and they should come back. Now, it's really interesting that each of my planters has the tiara pink, the tiara blue, and the silver berry petunias. And in every single one, the pink are the most eaten, which means your budworms have a very, very delicate palate and love pink, just like I do. I don't know why the pink is getting eaten so much more, but it is true for all of them. Then the silverberry, the purple is getting eaten less than any of them. I don't know, maybe budworms don't see purple as well. There should be a scientific study done on this. However, treated them all and they should be coming back. So if you're getting towards the end of the summer like it is here and you start to see some of these things going wrong, don't panic. Just see what you can do to hold these plants over a little longer. I really think that these are going to bounce back and be okay, especially since Dan did keep them so well hydrated and the actual plant is still really healthy. It should send out some new blossoms. I just wanted to share that quickly with you in case you're noticing the same thing in your yard. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.